Camera, roll tape, action.
VBS promo take 1.
Cut. All right, who gave him the Nerf gun? This is a medieval themed vacation Bible school. A Nerf gun? Really? Let's try it again.
VBS Summer 2023 take 46.
Join us for Pathways 2023 Vacation Bible School.
Cut. Hey, you're supposed to be facing the other direction. All right, let's try this again.
Summer 23 VBS take 203.
Join us for Pathways 2023 VBS.
Cut. I can't do this. I can't take it. I am an artist and I shouldn't have to go through this. They say never work with kids.
Join us this summer for Pathway Harlan's 2023 Vacation Bible School.
June 12th through 16th, join us from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. as we become keepers of the kingdom, learning to put on the full armor of God. Click the link below for more information and we look forward to seeing you there.